Right-click. Click on Add Indicator/Strategies, or click on the Indicators/Metrics/Strategies tab. Search for EMA, Exponential Moving Average.
Since this is EMA indicator is already pre-built, you will not need to adjust the input average. I always put my colors the exact same way on any chart so there is no confusion. If you need to change any input criteria, you will just need to change the following. Purple equals 20, 20 candles, line thickness equals thin as possible. Application equals close. You can see on the chart that the candles, close on or around those EMA areas, the EMAs act like a support/resistance. You can enter/exit positions at those price points. You can confidently predict momentum in different directions, can see consolidation areas, in between EMAs, and when the lines are less spread apart. Always chart from higher timeframes to lower timeframes, also known as top-down method. Your higher timeframe indicator data will always be more stronger than your lower timeframes. Higher timeframes equals harder to break trends. The more collective data you have, the more resistant that asset will be from breaking out from that trend. Can be used on lower timeframes for pinpoint entry and exit strategies. If you do not see the next price point to enter and exit a position, then you will be able to see it on a slightly higher timeframe. Lower timeframe trading utilizing the EMA strategy enables you to make quicker, but riskier trades. Make any last-minute adjustments so that your chart/indicators correlate and line up correctly. On some charts you can offset or adjust your precision, but I recommend fine-tuning your indicator on the higher timeframes first and work your way down. Important, there are huge movements when EMAs cross each other, especially on higher timeframes. Purple EMA on the bottom means it is trending bearish and vice versa for bullish movements. When a lower level EMA crosses a higher level EMA, momentum is shifting. For example, purple EMA crossed a gold EMA. This movement is also known as a golden cross or death cross. Be on the lookout for potential plays. You can see that the candles are able to bounce at support areas and reject at resistance areas based on your EMA indicator. EMA crosses and movements are more obvious if you zoom out and see the bigger picture. This occurs on every time frame. Try out similar indicators to see if it's easier to set up, but a majority of them are unique in their own ways. Some have more options and some are already pre-built with limited room for manipulation or customization. Remember, an indicator is only a reference tool used to make charts easier to read and decipher what has already happened. This means we can use indicators to make better predictions on what is ideally supposed to occur next. Let's learn and make money together. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Leave a comment on what you want to see more of. Instagram, trade_seeker.